lads. Let's get it done.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you win. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, it's so cold outside, break down. Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, it's so cold
UAV is exiting the AO.
Hey guys, I have something to tell you. Tanjitsko's giant bonus raffle is back. This time with a prize pool of up to P1,200,000. From March 16th to May 22nd, your gaming prowess will bring you really big rewards. Let's get right to the heart of the event, the raffle tickets. This is no ordinary ticket. This is your chance to win a Mitsubishi Xpander GL Exa T, a MacBook Pro 13-inch, an iPhone 14, and more. The more raffle tickets you have, the better your chances of winning. Now, you're probably wondering, how can I get these raffle tickets? It's simple. Join a group to play games and get raffle tickets. And for every 10,000 diamonds you spend, you'll get a raffle ticket. By logging into your group for 10 consecutive days, you get a free raffle ticket. It's a great benefit that TG gives its players, giving them a chance to have their wildest dreams come true and win surprise rewards. Accumulate more raffle tickets and have a chance to directly jackpot on May 18th. I remember the last raffle round. I won 500 stars and swapped them for 500 loads to get myself a cool ML skin. This time the prize pool is even bigger, and I hope my friends and I can get the rewards we want. So, ready to get started? Download and register for TG. Spend your diamonds. Get raffle tickets and become the next TG winner.